ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 1 coming from Texas, Beanie Aya! Aya, please stay right here in the middle. Yes? Dito sa gitna. Are you ready for your question? Okay. Okay, your question is...
So, Aya, your question is from Jan Michael S. Ibo. Welcome home, our walo. Ano sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo ang balak nyong balikan na magkakasama kayo?
Thank you for the question. Of all the places that we've been to, of course it would be nice to go back to all of the places, cities or states. But for me personally, I would want to go back to Vancouver because that's where I met Ron, and knowing that that's my love language, and I would want to give that to the girls, and hopefully they will join me in running.
Wow! What's that naman sagot, Mino?
Pasado yan. Pasado sa ating mga judges, narinig na natin, pasado ang kanyang sagot.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you. Hopefully for the next mini run, lahat ng girls natin mag 21K. Sabi ni Kuya, mukha mo. Maraming salamat. Give it up for our candidate number 1, Beanie Aya. Thank you.
Candidate, tawagin naman natin si Beanie Mika.
Grabe naman ang panahon na yan.
Yes. Beanie Mika, ready ka na ba sa iyong question? Ako, napakalinang ito. From Jeremy Velasquez, siyempre may mga natry kayo yung food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya na paulit yung nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I think
Pasado, kaya hindi rin siguro nakalimutan kasi hindi ko ako. Napakaulit na iniisip. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for Beanie Mika. Ito, tawagin naman natin one half of our couple. Let's call in Beanie Gwen.
Oh my gosh!
Ready, ah? Teka lang. May nagre-rehearse dito. May naghahanda. Grabe. Okay. Pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen.
thank you.
Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Beautiful answer. Okay. Beanie Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Matreo Papera, can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blues would be surprised to hear?
Oh.
Naglagi na ba no?
Okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami naliligo sa arena. And minsan, hindi kami karami yung shower room. So, minsan yung girls, yung sa shower kasi alam mo na natin, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami maligo. Pero, okay lang yan. Pero hindi minsan, buong tour namin. Hindi ko minsan yung nangyari. Pero minsan kasi sige ko, yung gusto ko sa una. Walang kapatid si Gwen. Next world tour. These are holy goods. Only mine. Okay na daw yun.
Kasi masaya na siya Okay, maraming salamat.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
first lady.
Good!
Ayan.
Ito,
Next candidate.
ito, kanina pa na-rehearse ito. Kanina pa na-rehearse.
To answer our next question. Tawagin na natin. Bini
Our next candidate, Bini
Joanna!
Grabe ka naman, mga ka-nerd.
Grabe si Master, pinapa-wait-wait tayo bago.
Okay.
Pero itong question na ito, hindi na ito makakapag-antay.
Oo.
From Regina Shane Santa Cruz. If you could go back the day one of your debut and whisper something to yourself, what would it be?
Whisper it, whisper it.
Ang ganda ng tanong.
Whisper. Hi, Joanna. Keep your pure heart, your feet grounded, and you're stronger than you think. At mag-art workshop ka, please. Magpaturo ka mag-drawing. Kasi magaling naman mag-drawing yung papa mo eh, si Tito Boy. At magaling mag-drawing, hindi ko alam ba't di mo nakuha. Pero ayun. Thank you. Hi, Daddy. I love you.
Thank you so much.
Galing naman.
Talk about drawing, so and also our arts right now.
Kasi pag nag-drawing pa ako, naninigas na yung daliri ko.
And you know what? It's okay. Alam mo bakit? Kasi nung nabuo itong grupong ito, it is a masterpiece. Alright. Maraming salamat, Master. Thank you. Matatawag natin, Bini Joanna. Again, reminder to our Bini Pasalubong winners sa mga nabili ko ng randomizer again, please proceed to the corner lobby and look for our staff na may hawak na placard, the Lucky Blue winners later on. Now, let's go to Bini Malone.
I need an interpreter, please.
Interpreter. Look at your interpreter.
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Bini Maloy?
I'm born ready.
Okay, alright.
So, Maloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and ititrato ko yung Beanie as humans. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe that was a heartwarming answer. Maloy. Thank you. Eto na. Another half of Makulit. Bini na po, Bini! Go
Nakamadali lang itong question na ito. From Jose Maria Christian Leary, what's an activity that you were only able to do on your Beanie bus that you were able to do normally?
Wait. Aside sa sort of sige pa ba? Matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami, nasa venue lang kami. Yeah, so, guys, nalilito ko, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. Kahit umalog yung bus,
Grabe. Actually, I was telling the production, Direk Lauren and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mga big stars lang katulad ng Bini.
Yes, diba? Our superstars right here. No, never. Especially to us Blues. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tulog style.
Thank you. Oh, ito na. Nag-aanda na siya. So, pinanatin our next candidate, Bini Sheena. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Ang tanong, Sheena, kaya mo ba?
Sabi ko pa harap.
Maharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh, so kailangan kayo sa your entrance. Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes!
Okay, your question.
From Jana Marido. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby. And yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang feel up na namin. Pantropico.
Nalibatan kami, nakikinig kami. Akala ko may ibang sabihin.
Yes, yun lang. Dahil ang Pantropico, sobrang sarap ng sayo. And naging world tour kasi ko yung 4 minutes in Long Park. So it's something new. Thank you!
Thank you. Obviously, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat pag-ataw mo, binibigay mo ng bumbo. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Bini Sheena.
Bini Sheena.
And last but not least, Stefan Vance. Sumigaw para sa ating main candidate, Bini Stacy. Dinitirahe. Yung wala ng tulong. Didiretso eh. Bini Stacy. Yes?
Aray mo nga rin natutulog. Eto na, from Jessie Martin Anthony, siya binibigay talaga favorite of course during sa Tornillo. What is the inspiration na gawin itong playful vibe and how did international audiences react to it?